Hey guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So here I am back with my classic daily productivity pages that I use for work. And normally when I decorate these, I kind of grab 4 sticker books at random, but I definitely wanted to use the newest Plan to Happy Life sticker book. And then I just grabbed some that I hadn't used actually in a while. So I grabbed Happy Quotes, Free Spirit, and Free Spirit. Let's get started. All right, so I'm already in love with this sticker book. So I'm just like, what do I'm gonna, it's amazing how one little sticker can't touch this. Can cheer you up. And then I'm gonna put this down here, and this will be for my to-do list, because normally what goes in here is my to-do list. And I know there have been 1 or 2 of you that have asked me to show you guys what this looks like when it is filled out. The thing is, because this is my work planner, or that I use this for work, anything that I do put in here, I don't want to say classified, but it's for work, so it may not be for everybody's eyes. Just putting that out there, but we'll see what I can do. Okay, I want to put something down here. I really love that chair. Let's focus on these decorations, these stickers, because I think these are fantastic. Like, just put that there, because then that'll give me room all the way down here to write down all of my meetings. So that's basically what I use this section for, is my meetings for the day. And I don't think there is a specific label for that. Ooh, I love those. But maybe I could use this with a reminder sticker. I like that. Check for pests. Maybe it's just me that finds that funny. Check for pests. I'll put this down. And that's not straight. Part of me doesn't really care. There we go. And so what I do is write down all of my meetings for the day there. And I think I only have 4 on the Monday, so I can put 4 here. And then this section I use for any notes that I take that I need to do for the day. So if there are any notes that I need to make for any coaching sessions that I have with one of my team, then I write that down in here. Any notes from other meetings that I take, I write that down in here. So this is really just a note section. And then in here are anything that comes up as part of my to-do list. So these could be, callbacks that I need to make, anything that I need to look up for my team, things like that. And then the priorities, those are the things that I have to do on a day-to-day basis. And that is really, I'm going to put to do here. That in itself are the ones that don't change on a day-to-day basis. The difference between the to-do list that goes up here versus a to-do list here is this to-do list is something that I know I need to do every single day, and this is just any ad hoc stuff that comes up. So there is a sticker page that I'm looking for, and I cannot, there it is. Okay. So then I want to, I like this. I'm going to place that here. And that's going to go over the hole for the discs, which I hate, but can't always help that. I'm going to put the clock, actually, over the word today. And then definitely a cup of coffee with the to do. And I actually don't mind that I'm covering up that. Okay, simple, but very cute. All right, so let's move on to the next planner. The next one is with Happy Quotes. I haven't used this book in a really long time. So let's see what's in here. there's those, which I could work with. And all of these bright, bright colors. So I definitely, oh, I love that. Just trying to see what I could use, because the thing is, in this particular book, there aren't really boxes. There's, I mean, yes, there are boxes, but not a lot of boxes like this that you can write in. So let's see what I can do. Let's just pick a page and go with it. So I really love this. And I think what I will do is take this one and put that here. I think what's going to be different about this particular one is that I don't have any boxes that I can write in, that I will basically be using these as just decoration. So let's see the good, that will go in the notes section. I'm gonna do this, and then anything that has to go in my to-do list I will write here, and then I'm gonna put this here, so then I still have room to write down all my meetings on that side. I'm gonna put now as the new later. And then this can be up here, go for it. Actually, I really like that, and I don't feel like I need to add anything to it. I feel like I still have room to write my to-do list. I still have room to write my meetings, my priorities for the day, and my notes. So maybe what I might do, I'm gonna take this sticker, and this is what I love about the stickers, is that you can totally change them to suit your needs. So I'm going to take this, place that at the bottom, and then this right next to it. So I've created my own little sticker. Really love that. All right, so that is Plan With Me number 2. All right, Plan With Me number 3 is with Free Spirit. Now, I feel like this is going to be a difficult one because, oh, I say that, but there are big boxes, and I can make this work. Okay. Just seeing what's in here already. Okay, there's a That Today list. And this, okay. I'm gonna put this, actually I'll put the today down first. And then place this one on top of it. I love the way that that looks. And then, gosh, I have used a ton of stickers in here. Yes, I have. Now I need something big for up here. I feel like that Moonchild one might be. Wild Heart with a Gypsy Soul. I don't feel like that's me, but the sticker seems to go with the color scheme that I've got going on right now. And white these out. I like this. Make a list. And then checking it twice. It's not Christmas. Okay. Ooh. oh, I like this. I'm gonna take this. I haven't actually used this in any other spread before that I can think of. So I'm gonna place this here so that I still have room to write all the meetings that I have on Wednesday. And then add a few little stars. And then, seriously guys, I'm winging it. A lot of the times I do just wing it with these spreads. But you can easily overthink. And you don't want to do that. Today, and I'm going to take a Just Breathe for all of my meetings. And I'm going to place one more in that corner. I like the blue that's happening here. Really like the blue that's happening. I'm just going to take all of these, sprinkle them. I say sprinkle, but just put them down at the bottom with this moon, and then I think I'm done. All right. Oh, that's pretty. That's really pretty. That is Plan With Me number 3. All right, and Plan With Me number 4 is with the Free Spirit number 2 book. So let's see what. Ooh, I have used a lot in here, which is good. This is what, for Thursday? I have quite a bit on Thursday. So I'm actually going to take this, put this straight in here. And then, look at that. I have used a lot in this book. I dream of traveling right now. I miss traveling. Okay, then Moonchild. Ooh, aim for the moon. I like that. And then a few of these stars. Lost in a Dream. I'm going to hold on to this because I may not want to use that. I may do another box here. But let's see what I've got in terms of boxes. Yeah, I might have to go with that one, just seeing what's there. Yeah, okay. Oh, where is it? There we go. I really like the overlapping the boxes this way. And then I actually don't need that. Putting it there. And getting my trusty white out. Oh, I just realized how crooked that sticker is. But then you get to a point where you really don't care. You're just kind of like, you know what, let's just do this. Okay, I'm going to put Remember over here. Then I'm going to put, there was a whole sheet, oh, there's, and Today, that here. And then I need something here. Gosh, I have really used this book really well. I'm pretty happy with that. There was like a reschedule. There we go. Remember, get it done. Here we go. If I could get it done. Whoops. Here. Then I'm going to find a page with all of like the little stars that I can put everywhere. And I know there's some blue floral stuff. I love those flags. I haven't used them in a while. So there. Blue and purple florals. Let's get my tweezers here because it's just easier with these smaller stickers. I'm going to use up this whole page. There are only 6 stickers in there, why not? And, whoops, last one. Oops. That is the last one. Okay, perfect. All right, there we go. Soft and simple. I really like it. So that is Plan With Me number 4. All right, so there are these spreads. The first one with the My Garden is My Happy Place. So the most recent Plant a Happy Life sticker book. And then with happy quotes. I actually really like the way these two turned out. And then the final two with Free Spirit 1 and Free Spirit 2. They look very similar because I stayed with a very similar color scheme with both. So I'm actually really happy with how everything turned out. All right, but that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.